how do we address in public, how do we do the public communication. So it involves usually constructing and presenting messages to different organizational stakeholder groups. When you are doing any communication at the large in public, you may have different stakeholders. Like for example, American Airlines, when they are communicating with the employees, they are communicating with the LGBT community, they are communicating with the government, they are communicating with the media. So these are the communications at public. Public communication is very important for organizations, right? So it can range, the purpose of public communication can range from presenting message about products, services. You are maybe talking to your customer, like brand communications. You are framing the organization's mission. You are gaining acceptance of the management's plan. You are responding to a crisis or a scandal, or you are promoting a merger or acquisition. So these are the normal ways where we do the public communication. What are the most common ones that every organization usually do? Which is the most common of them? Number one, presenting your products and services, right? Yeah. Every company does it, correct? Every company need to do their products. Every company do it in one way or the other way. So you can do public communication from multiple channels. So it cannot not only in the newspapers, can be social media, can be TV, can be radio, can be newspapers, can be just on their own public website, also can be, right? So that is the communications, public communication, right? So who includes in the public? It involves your shareholders, involves your employees, involves your customers, government, involves your media, activist groups, involves your special interest coalitions and communities, and also citizen journalists and bloggers. Who are citizen journalists? Citizens turn into journalists. When you are posting anything on the social media, you become a journalist because you are spreading a news, right? Not about yourself, about other. When you are giving the opinion or commenting on anything, you become a journalist. And when you are reporting a fact about anything, you become a journalist, right? So that is city journalist. And you have bloggers who may have their own opinion, like travel bloggers, food bloggers, or the restaurant review companies. They are also giving their opinions about the companies. So bloggers are not only on the written bloggers, now they are YouTube vloggers, not only blog, vloggers, podcasters, right? YouTuber. So they are famous YouTubers who are giving reviews. So those are also your stakeholders, which you may need to communicate with them. Okay. Media and activist group, you understand already. Media is traditional media, correct? And activist groups are the special groups which are normally doing the social cause, right? LGBT communities, consumer protection groups, human rights groups, PETA groups, or the animal rights groups, right? Pollution right groups, environmental groups. So these are the activist organizations which are already happening. And there are some special interest coalitions. So who are special interest coalitions? Who may have a special interest?
Maybe other than the stakeholder, they have a specific
interest. Yes.
So
Means special interest is just simple as the word says, it's a special interest. They are not normally together. They are not activist groups. but they join hands together just only for particular cause. You remember the Amazon case study we read, or you didn't read?
Yeah.
In Amazon case study, if you read the Amazon case study, the authors, the publishers, the book writers, they create a coalition. Even though they are not related in any other way, but they all publish on Amazon. So they coalesce together against the Amazon policies of reducing the prices of their books online. Because Amazon control the price on Kindle, and they don't allow anything to be sold more than $10 or $19. Any book which is published outside for any price, Kindle you will get for very cheap.
So it's like a politics,
Huh?
this different opposition group and combined together.
Yeah, sometimes the politics also, like political groups, they may not be together, but for one particular cause they can combine together into one, and then they form a coalition. So that is special interest coalitions. For business, it may include anything like maybe your suppliers coalesce together, so that becomes a coalition. Maybe your uniform suppliers, maybe your raw material suppliers, maybe employees, like a trade union. Correct? So the employees can become also, they can join together, maybe only the accounting and finance staff, not the all employees, only accounting and finance union for, and maybe like a GBS students by batch can also become a coalition. So coalitions usually are formed to give power for a common cause. Organizations has to deal with them as well, not only the individual employees, also the coalitions. Okay, so public communication usually requires a substantial commitment and resources. So it may include production facilities for websites, it may include newsletter, company magazine, videos, it may include advertising space in print and electronic media, it may include peoples who are going to create the creatives, time, space, material, salaries of professional who write, edit and produce the message, program and events. So these are the resources which are required in public communication. So why we do a public communication? We already learned. Who do we address in public communication? This is where we learn. And what do we need for public communication is these. Okay. So strategic in public communication, you normally will see in the case studies, all the case studies are about public communication, most of them. Okay. There is one more that I want to actually read. Yeah, I will read it now also. We will see it together after this slide, after the break. The source in strategic communication usually comes from a message. So it can be a specific individual or can be an agency, like maybe a senior management, top management, right? So there has to be a source of communication. So the is normally often served from the staff or strategic communication to execute a strategic communication program. Either the board of directors can do it, or the top management can do it, or they may hire a communication officer. Usually very big companies, they hire specialized communication groups, communication directors to do press release, public relationships, crisis management, and those are the only officials which are permitted to talk in public. Because you might have realized now, communication is a very specialized skill. You need to know what kind of message you are giving to who at what time, right? So it is only few people are authorized to communicate with the public. Especially like in the hotels, usually it's only the general manager of the company or general manager of the hotel or the communication officer, which can be the director of sales and marketing, is authorized to talk to the public, no other person. Other employees should not talk in the public. So companies normally have policies which are very clear that employees or general peoples are not authorized to talk on behalf of hotels or companies, because it can affect their reputation. Okay. So a lot of communication programs arise out of objective in linear model, but it may also be developed into the a transactional model where specific organizational groups participate in creating message for public communication. So it may be community members, can be employees, or can be customers. Okay, so this then you have a traditional perspective. So you have three types of communication usually. What happens in an organization? One is internal communication, external communication, and risk and crisis. So risk and crisis is different from external communication only because it happens only for a while. It doesn't happen every day. Okay, external communication is usually what you do with your customers, what you do with your suppliers, what you do with your government.